You have listened to the voice in your head for a long time. It speaks with certainty, but it knows nothing of truth. It judges, it remembers, it compares, it fears, and you have mistaken it for yourself. But now, listen closely, for I will remind you of what you have forgotten. That which speaks in your mind is not you. For if you are the voice, then who is the one hearing it? Who watches as thought rises and fades? That witness, silent, formless, untouched. That is what you are. Let the voice speak. Let it tremble. Let it rush. You do not need to silence it. The ocean does not fight the waves. Remain as the depth, not the surface. Do not follow every thought. Let them come. Let them go. The moment you stop chasing the voice, something sacred returns. You begin to feel presence, not created, not imagined, but always here. A quiet awareness that does not judge, that does not cling, that simply sees. And in that seeing, there is peace. Not the peace of silence, but the peace of not being disturbed by noise. You are not here to control the mind. You are here to remember. You are not the mind. When the voice becomes loud, return to stillness. When thought demands your attention, return to awareness. You are not the content of thought. You are the space in which thought appears. So listen. The voice will rise again. But now, you know. You are not it. You are the seer, the unchanging, the stillness within.